Coach John here. Welcome to your fast and fresh kitchen. You know, I've just took a sheet full of roasted nuts out of the oven. Now that's been included in several of your snacks with several of the fast and fresh weeks, but we haven't really talked about it too much yet. And I thought coming up here into the holidays, it's the perfect time to look at ways to incorporate this in not just snacks, but maybe some of the treats you take to holiday parties and gatherings. This, of course, is one. 400 degrees, 10 minutes, you know, just a normal sized baking sheet covered in this case, pecans. You can use walnuts, you can use pumpkin seeds, whatever you want. Almonds are amazing as well. 400 degrees, 10 minutes, they turn out great. It's always a hit. Just let them cool down for about 10 minutes or so before you pop them in your mouth. Okay, now what I have going over here, you can probably see it steaming and bubbling a little bit. This is 1 cup of walnuts, okay, just raw walnuts. And what I've done is bring it up over medium heat. I've added about slightly less than 1/4 cup of water just to get it bubbling. Now what are we going to add to that? Well, we've got some brown sugar here. I know you're like, whoa, this is the first sugar we've seen in the Fast and Fresh meal plan. Again, this is something you're going to make for a big gathering. You're not going to let them hang around your house, okay? But the great thing about nuts is, I know we're adding a little bit of sugar. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Stick with the roasted nuts. This is great for any gathering because they're easy, they're fast, and they are delicious. They will be a hit, I guarantee it. So once you get the water kind of boiling a little bit, maybe over medium-high heat, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and you're going to mix that in. Now you can also add in a little cinnamon if you want. That goes really well on these. And just do that to taste. Now the great thing about nuts is, you know, we're not afraid of fat, so you want to keep it down to just 1 serving a day. It's about 1/4 cup. It's about 10 to 12 nuts, or a small handful, however you want to look at it. But they're filled with magnesium, B6, healthy fats, unsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, and you even get it's a good source of protein as well. So do not be afraid of them. And especially when you go into a holiday party, something like this, people are going to love it. I mean, think of all the vendors you see. We went to a hockey game last night. They've got vendors all around the arena selling this because people love them. So feel free, celebrate the holidays, bring some roasted nuts. The only thing to remember is just let them cool down so you don't burn your lips, okay? This is Coach John. Thank you so much for being part of the Fast and Fresh team.